There's one more descriptive statistic I want to show you within SPSS. This is the crosstabs feature. So this is generally used if we have two categorical variables. So if you're trying to generate a crosstabs, you're like, okay, I know I've got 15 men and 15 women, but I want to know what group they're in. How many men are in group 1? How many women are in group 2, for example? You can do that generating crosstabs. So it's not just one variable, you're taking two variables and crossing them. To get crosstabs in SPSS, you click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. So again, if you're trying this on your own computer, Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. This will open the Crosstabs dialog box, which looks something like this. And again, I've linked the SPSS libguide here at the top, so if you wanted to go and get some additional help on how to run crosstabs, you can click that link. But you want two categorical variables. So in this case, I have grabbed gender and put that on the row, and I've grabbed group and I've put that on the column. You can switch these. They can go back and forth. It's just which way you want the output to look. So if you do it one way and you don't like it, you can always come back and run it a different way. We make sure we select the box that says Display Clustered Bar Charts. It's kind of weird phrasing, but essentially what this is we want a graph to go with our data. We want to know what's happening, what does it look like? And then once we do that, we click OK. And in our output window, we'll get something that looks like this. So again, we've got our data window, we've got our output window. In SPSS, it'll spit out all of your analyses in the output window. So we've generated a crosstab. It gives you your case processing summary. So how many valid cases did you have? How many observations were in this analysis? How many missing data pieces were in this analysis? And then it gives you your crosstab table. So it gives you the breakdown of, in our case, gender based on group. And all of this is fake data. So I've said we've got 15 male participants, 15 female participants. We've got some folks who like small drinks, some who like medium drinks, and some who like large drinks. This is all fake data. If you had real data, this would be a little bit more meaningful. But in this case, we've got equal groups, and we can see that in our graph that's spit out as well. It's essentially saying, well, we've got 5 in each group. The count of how many participants we have in our two categorical variables. We've done a 2x3 crosstabs. There's 5 participants in each group. Pretty easy. Again, crosstabs is generally not recommended for continuous variables because if you've got 30 different decimal points, for example, 30 different continuous variables, it will do male by female times every single one of those options, which is a lot and probably not what you're looking for. So crosstabs, we generally use this for continuous variables.